Okay, so let's talk about the project details. So the project title is Earthquake Data Analysis and the Visualization Project with the help of Plotly, okay, and Sine. So the requirement are follow. So this project is total have this project has multiple notebook, and each notebook has some different tasks. Okay, so in notebook first, and also different data, different data set also have. Okay, so let me explain one by one. So the very first task was to data cleaning, and we have to save this as a like this. Okay, and these are the basic tasks we have to perform. Breakdown of the task. Okay, so read the raw data into pandas frame, or maybe similarly, if and how this project is going to help you. Okay, so somehow if you want to practice more some project requirement or project idea, somehow you will not get more formatted or more structured way, or even more detailing. So, okay, so in that case, there you can get this video, and to based on this requirement, and you can complete your task, and then you can improve your understanding or learning. So in notebook 1, we have to perform this task, like first we have to load the data, then perform necessary cleanup, ensuring appropriate data type of each of the column, remove the unwanted data, handle the missing value, save the cleanup data as based on this data set. Okay, so also you get idea what are the different machine learning pipeline you have to do, right? Suppose you are working on machine learning, so the first task is loading the data, or maybe basic data pre-processing, or EDA in short we can say. Then we are going to perform more analysis, then we are going to training, testing, then we are going to training, the loading, obviously testing or loading, testing and training the model, then evaluations, and then finally if you want to improve more accuracy, and then finally go to final stage, that is if you want to deploy somewhere. So this is the basic pipeline. So in first pipeline we perform this this task step by step. Okay, so in first notebook we have to do basic data cleaning task, what are the necessary for this data set. In second notebook we are going to do data analytics. Okay, so the same idea, first read the clean data. So after cleaning done from this notebook, okay, so it's basically doing saving all the different work in different notebook. Okay, then we have to use Panda to identify 5 interesting insight from the data. Okay, include the markdown based on. Okay, so you already know it basically is using notebook. So in that notebook there is cell and code cell and markdown cell. Okay, so these are things. Then after is task is basically third notebook you have to save all the work related to data visualization. Okay, so you have to name this notebook as this name. Okay, and yeah, so read the analytics data from the Panda. So this data we have load. Use Plotly to create the 5 visualization individual plot to visualize, identify insight, annotate each visualization in notebook. Okay, so this is the data visualization task in third notebook. And fourth notebook, so it's basically the Sine is used. They will, with the help of Sine, you can create this package. So you can let me show you what is. It's a Sine tool. Okay, so for Python, so is a very if we are use Tableau. Okay, so similarly Sine has web interfaces, so that you will draw some interactive graph. Okay, so just like Matplotlib or maybe CC. Okay, so you can get idea here. Okay, so I'm just sign your Plotly, so you can see easy web applications in R. Okay, also you can install in Python. Okay, maybe in notebook. So install Sine for Python on your computer, Sine for R or for Python. Okay, and then develop an interactive web application using Sine. Okay, and incorporate the Plotly visualization. Okay, and sign up for free account for cloud. So this also sign up needed, so you can do sign up and deploy. Okay, so sign up for free account for Sine cloud platform. Okay, and then deploy your completed Sine web application. So it's just like even as a your task is completed, you can deploy these two on any URL or something like that. Okay, so you can do this. So this was the requirement. So this and we have already solved this project as well. So we are showcasing as if you stuck, or maybe if your account matching something similar like that, or maybe you are working on this one. So it's a basically we are showcasing the project what we have built and what we have achieved. Okay, so data set use. The project utilizes earthquake data stored in CSV called quakes.csv. This data set contain information about the various earthquake, including their locations, magnitude, depth, and other relevant details. Okay, so these were the data set used, and this data set had used this features or columns, we can say. Basic data informations. Okay, the initial step involved reading the raw data into pandas data frame. After loading the data, we have gather this information. Like data set consists of several columns representing different attribute, such as time, latitude, longitude, depth. Okay, and also we are doing this basic information, data types. Okay, missing value. So missing value were identified and handled using appropriate techniques such as mean imputations for numerical columns and mode imputations for categorical column. Okay, so this was the basic data information, and we have done basic data processing. Okay, so it's a part of loading. Okay, so also you can see if we explore more about data processing techniques, so we have used data processing techniques were applied to clean up and prepare for the data. So you can see unwanted columns such as ID were removed from the data frame as they did not provide significant information for analysis. Missing value were imputed using appropriate strategy to ensure data completeness. Data type were adjusted to facilitate analysis and visualization, ensuring consistency and accuracy in the representations. Okay, so these are data visualization technique we have used. So as a data visualization, various plot and chart were created using library like matplotlib and plotly to visualize different aspect of the earthquake data. Insights such as distribution of the earthquake depth, frequency of the earthquake by locations, distribution of the earthquake type were visualized to gain comprehensive understanding of the data set. A specific visualization including interactive map showcasing earthquake locations, magnitude, as well as the histogram depicting the distribution of seismic activity over the time. So and the final output is you can see here. So this was our output after completing this task. Okay, so latitude and longitude with the highest frequency earthquake. Okay, so this was a distribution of the earthquake depth. So it was like that. And if we have see more visualization, number of earthquake by location source, and this one is distribution of earthquake type. Okay, so this one, and yeah, that's one. So these are different visualizations. We have used more visualizations, or maybe, but some of the visualization we have displaying or showing here as a result. So what we have achieved. Okay, so if we are working on this project or related to this project, or maybe similar or same project you are working, and if you stop any of the part, and if you need end-to-end implementations, okay, or maybe guidance in some of the part, you can reach out to us. Okay, so what is the purpose of this video is basically showing what are the different requirement. Okay, and how, and also we are showing as a output what we have done based on this requirement. Okay, so basically we are showcasing our work. Okay, fine. So that's all everyone. Let's meet in another one.